We're on our Chris Craft Launch 35 GT, and one of the new features for model year 25 on this boat is what we're standing under. The hardtop on this boat is made with advanced pre-preg carbon fiber technology. That means that carbon fiber is laid in a mold, put in an autoclave, and under temperature and pressure, it cures. This is the same technology that's used in aerospace and race cars. And the result is we have a new hardtop that is tougher, stronger, it's beautiful, and we save about 650 pounds on the weight of the boat. So we're bringing space age technology down to the marine market.